differentials. It's the gap in terms of power, the difference. So differential would be the difference between two terms, the extent of the difference between two terms.
Yeah. And how about this club minutes? What's club minutes?
Such as police reports, club minutes. Well, any club or society would have would take minutes of meetings, which is a written account of the meetings. The secretary of the association or club would take what we call minutes, the decisions, etc.
Just like a memorial.
Yes, like yes. A record.
It's chapter 12. Here,
yes.
Careful reading.
Yes.
Does it mean the close reading?
Yes, just careful, just taking care over the reading, close reading, yes. Yeah. The irreducibility of issues of agency, the fact that they won't go away, they return, and you can't reduce them to something else. They are persistent issues, if you like. But they can't be reduced to something else. They can't be argued away as being something else other than agency. These issues are, you have to face them. And that these methods make the questions of agency very clear when you're actually talking to people about their practices. Is that clear enough?
Yes. This one.
Discrepancies, again, a bit like differentials. They don't, when things don't fit, they're a discrepancy. They don't fit together.
Yes. And how about this one? Living.
Yes. As we have argued most generally of living. Well,
life or
yes,
life
most generally of life, yes. Just living. Just carrying on being and doing.
This paragraph.
Okay, let's look at this. Lad's culture is centred on non-conformist and anti-academic relations at school, ethical enjoyment and resistance, and a distinctive appropriation of working class forms of masculinity. A distinctive taking and using. Appropriation is taking and using of forms of working class masculinity that are in the general culture. For ways of being a man that are in the general culture, so they take them and use them. Appropriation, distinctive appropriation, an appropriation of their own kind.
So what does it mean?
A particular combination.
Cultural preparation for survival.
Cultural for survival in the rough relations of manual labour. So the strategies, their resistance to the school and their use of humour, because they make a lot of jokes, having a laugh, they call it, having a laugh. So these strategies, like having fun in school and being disruptive in school, combined with a cultural preparation for survival, combined both cultural preparation for survival in the rough relations of manual labour. So just as they make jokes and make friendships and mates and talk about football and sex and stuff in the school, so they will do the same sorts of things when they're working as manual workers. So it's like a preparation for the cultural,
for their career.
for career as general labour, as general manual labour, jobs which, by the way, don't much exist anymore.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I mean, this is